Hello, all of you beautiful people, and welcome to the very first episode of Battle of the Remixes. Today, I am bringing you the battle of Sinister versus What Happens in Vegas. I posted on Instagram story, and you guys voted by a landslide. What Happens in Vegas is going to be remixed in this video today. So here I am showing you the original What Happens in Vegas from 2016. I always keep just a little bit of all my mixes, even when they're gone. It had a whole bunch of stuff in it, hearts and moons and stars and a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So I am going to try to replicate that as closely as I possibly can in this video. So why don't you just stick around and let's see how well I do. So this was so well received by you guys. You know, so many of you got involved and voted that I decided to do a second battle of the remixes. And that episode will be posted sometime this week. I'm not going to reveal what the winner is. If you want to go see who the winner is of the second battle, just go on to Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box below, so if you want to go check that out. And if you want to participate in the third one, there will be a third battle, so just keep your eyes peeled. And make sure you check the description box because this mix will be available. Once this video is posted, it is definitely available. All you have to do is just go down to the description box and go to my website, www.the.nail.candy.shoppe, 2 P's and an E.com, and grab you some while it's still available because this will not be around very long. And this tiny little hand right here belongs to my 3-year-old. She always insists on helping Mama mix her glitter. I think I've pawned my addiction off onto my children. A family who mixes glitter together stays together. Isn't it pretty? So here is the final result. I think I got pretty close to the original, but I think it looks a little bit better. This is just chock full of loveliness. It's very unique. So if you really want some of this, all you have to do is just go down to the description box and check out the link. And I've got a lot of other stuff on my website as well if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed yourself, subscribe, and hang out until the next episode. Later.